Okay, girls, can you hear me clearly? Yes? Type 1, please, if you can hear me clearly. Okay, thank you so much. Now, I'm sorry about that. Let's continue. We will multiply. Now, again, I will multiply 25, as we said, with what? With 15. We stopped on which number? Okay. Now I will multiply it with, okay. Okay, girls. Now I will multiply first thing 1 with 2, as we learn. The 1 equals 10 in the 10th digit and the 2 in the 10th digit. Okay, I'm sorry about that, girls. Okay, girls, I'm sorry about that. Now we will continue. Okay, now I will do this exercise. Okay, so I want to multiply 25 with 15. So the first step was what? As I said, the first step I have to multiply the 10 with 20. So the answer was 200. Now after that, I have to multiply the 1 in the 10th digit. The value of the 1 in the 10th digit equals what? No sound? Okay. Now, girls, can you hear me clearly? Okay, thank you so much. So, the value of the 1 also in the 10th digit equals 10. And I have to multiply it with what? With the 5 in the 1st digit. The value of the 5 in the 1st digit equals 5. So 10 multiply 5, 1 multiply 5 equals 5, and I have to put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 50. Okay, so this is the first number, which is here 1 in the 10th. Now I will take the 5 in the 1st digit. So I will take this number, the 5 in the 1st digit, and multiply it first with 2 in the 10th digit. So the value of the 5 equals the same number, because this number in the 1st digit. Multiply it with 2 in the 10th digit. The value of the 2 in the 10th digit equals 20, because 2 multiply 10 equals 20. So 5 multiply 2 equals 10, and put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 100. Okay, it will be 100. Now the last step, I have to multiply 5 with 5. The 5 in the 1st digit with the 5 in the 1st digit. So that's mean 5 multiply 5 equals what? 5 multiply 5. Thank you, Zain. Excellent. Equals 25. The last step in partial product is to add all answers to find the final answer. So let's add the numbers. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Okay? 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So it's 7 in the 10th digit. Now 1 or 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the answer is 375. If you finish, please writing this exercise, type 1 in the type 1 in the chat box. Okay, thank you so much, girls. I think all of you, if someone of you didn't write the answer, could you please type 0 in the chat? Okay, I think all of you finished. Thank you so much. Stop typing, please. Now let's move to the second exercise on page 178. I will erase those. Okay. Now I want to multiply the same numbers with regrouping. So let's see how I will multiply the same numbers by using regrouping method. And you remember how to multiply with regrouping. Okay, so I will do this, the first step, to remember regrouping. Any one of you could help me, please, to remember together how to multiply two numbers with regrouping. First thing, I will take the 5 and multiply it with 15, as we learned, right? So I will take this 5 and multiply it with 15 with regrouping, as we learned, between 2-digit numbers and 1-digit number. So maybe Kinsey will help me. Yes, Kinsey? Kinsey, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so if I want to multiply those numbers with regrouping, 5 multiply 5 equals what?
25.
Can I write 25 here?
No.
No. What I have to do, I have to put 5 here.
I will put the 5 down and the 2 above the 10.
Very good, Kinsey. Thank you so much. Now, you solve it. Now, 5 multiply 1 equals what?
5 multiply 1 equals 5.
Very good. Plus 2 equals what?
7.
Equals 7. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kinsey. So 5 multiply 5 equals 25. I have to put 5 here and 1 above the tens, or 2 above the tens. 5 multiply 1 equals 5, and plus 2 equals 7. So it will be 75. Now, after that, what I have to do? I have to multiply the 2 with 15, okay? So I will write the first number. Okay? The first number was 75, okay? I will write it with another color. Maybe someone of you can't see the pink, as you said. So the first thing, the first number is 75. Now, after that, in regrouping, I have to take this 2 and multiply it with 15. But as we said, what I have to do, or what I have to put in the ones digit right here? Who will tell me in the chat? Who will tell me what I have to put here in the ones digit? Excellent, Zen. Excellent. So I have to put 0 in the chat, in the ones digit, okay? Because when I want to multiply tens number with the numbers 15 here, I have to put 0 in the ones digit, because the first digit in the tens number multiplied with 2-digit number will be 0. Now I will continue my multiplication. Yes, Kinda. Now I want to multiply 2 with 15. 2 multiply 5 equals what, Kinda?
2 multiply 5 equals 10.
Very good. Can I write 10 here?
No.
No, I have to put 0 here and 1 above the tens. Now, 2 multiply 1 equals what?
2 multiply 1 equals
2 plus 1
equals 3.
Very good, Kinda. Excellent. So I have to write 3 here. This is the second answer. After that, in the last step, I have to do what? I have to add the numbers as we learned, the both numbers 375. If you add the numbers, let's see now, it will be what? Okay, so 7 plus 0, or no, sorry, 5 plus 0 equals 5. 7 plus 0 equals 7, and there is no handprints here, so I will write 3 and take it and put it down. So the answer is 375. Okay, so yes girls, in your book, okay, I will write it here in another color. Okay, some girls tell me, teacher, in the book it's written opposite, not 15 multiply 25, it will be 25 multiply 15. Yes, the step 1 and step 2 will be different, but the final answer will be the same. So 25 multiply 15, in the book it will be what? I have to multiply 5 with 25 here. I want you to focus with me, please. So 5 multiply 5 equals 25, as we said, 5 here and 2 above the tens. 5 multiply 2 equals 10, and 10 plus 2 equals 12. So the first answer in the book will be 125. Focus with me, please. Don't type on the chat. I want you to focus with me. I know Bisan, and I am talking now about this, I think. So the first step for 25 multiply 15, it will be 125. Now the second step, it will be what? Let's see. The second step for 25 multiply 15. So the first number was 125. If I want to take the 1 and multiply it with 25, I have to put 0, as we learned in the first digit, the ones digit, and then multiply the tens number. 1 multiply 5 equals 5, and 1 multiply 2 equals 2. Okay, last thing, I have to add the numbers in the last step. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay, so look, the same answer. The same answer. So this is the answers in your book. Okay, this one, the first step. This is the second step here. It must be this number, 250. And the last step must be 375. Okay? Okay? So if you finish, please, if you finish this exercise, type 1 in the chat just one time. Okay, girls, stop typing on the chat, please. Between each other, stop typing in Arabic. The chat only if you have a question or a problem. Okay? Okay, thank you, girls. So any one of you didn't finish? Any one of you didn't finish? Taleen? Okay, quickly, Taleen, please. I will wait you. Thank you, Rina. Dana? Dana, this is the last time you write in Arabic in the chat. And respect, please. Respect your friends. Okay, girls, now we will move to the next exercise. Now we will move to the next page, or in the same page, the next exercise. I think all of you finish. Okay, now this is our exercise. Okay, I will erase those. Jana, also please respect your friends and don't say this word. Girls, stop that please, or I will give you a block. That's enough. Okay, if you have a question, Noura, ask me. Yes, Noura.
Teacher.
Yes, dear.
Do we have homework?
No.
And teacher, I sent the product, but you didn't see it.
Yes, I know that. I know, dear. Now I will see it after we finish. Okay. Girls, there is no chat today. No sharing on the chat because some one of you, not all of you, some one of you write bad words on the chat, and that's enough. Now I will continue with multiply. I want you to raise your hand if you have a question only a question. Now I want to multiply 57 with 43 with 3 ways. First thing, I will estimate. Second, I will use partial product. Then I will use regrouping. If you have a question only, okay? Girls, if you have a question only, you can raise your hand. And if you don't have a question, no sharing in this session. So first thing, I will estimate the answer. That's mean I have to round the numbers. 57 with 43. Okay? 57 with 43. So how I will do that? First thing, round 57 into the nearest 10. This is the 10th digit. Before the 10th, I have 7. 7 is greater than 5. That's mean I will add 1 to the 10th, so it will be 6. And the digit before it will be 0. Okay? So this is the first number. The second number, multiply 53 or 43, sorry, 43. This is the 10th digit. Before the 10th, I have 3. 3 is less than 5. That's mean I have to keep the same number in the 10th, 4. And the digit before it will be 0. So 60 multiply 40. This is the estimate. How I will find the estimate? I have to multiply those numbers. 6 multiply 4 equals 24. And I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer. So the final answer will be 2,400. 2,400. This is the estimate. So the final answer, or the correct answer, will be close to this number. Let's see and find the number or the answer by using partial product. So the first way, I will use the partial, or the first method here, I will use the partial product. So I will take first the number 5 here and multiply it with 43. So first thing, the value of the 5 equals 50 because this number in the ones, or sorry, in the tens digit, the value of the 5 in the tens digit equals 50. Multiply what? Multiply 4 in the tens digits. The value of the 4 in the tens digit equals what? Equals 40. Okay, so 5 multiply 4 equals 20. So I will write the answer here. Okay, 5 multiply 4 equals 20, and I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer. So the final answer will be 2000. Girls, this line to make a difference between the explanation and the answer. Okay? Now, I will multiply 5 with 3. So 5 multiply 3 in the ones digit, the value of the 5 the same, it will be 50. Multiply 3 in the ones digit, the value of the 3, it will be 3. So 50 multiplied 3, I have to multiply 5 with 3, it will be 15, and put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 150. This is the first step. So the second step, I have to multiply what now? 7 in the ones digit with those or both numbers. First thing, I will take the 7 and multiply it with 4. The value of the 7 equals the same number, 7, and the value of the 4 in the tens digit equals 40. So 7 multiply 40 equals what? 7 multiply 4 equals 28, and put 1 0 next to the answer. So it will be 280. 280. Now the last step, I will multiply 7 in the ones digit with the 3 in the ones digit. The value of the 7 equals 7, and the value of the 3 in the ones digit equals 3 also. So 7 multiply 3 equals 21. So I will write the answer here. The last step, I have to add all numbers. Okay, 0 plus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5 plus 8 equals what? Equals 13. 13 plus 2 equals 15. So I will write 5 here and 1 above the hundreds. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. There is no thousand, so I will take the 2 and write it here. So the final answer is 2451. Now let's see if I will find the same answer by using regrouping. So I will use regrouping method to find the answer. Let's start. First thing, I will take the 7 in the regrouping and multiply it with those number and regroup the answer. First thing, 7 multiply 3 equals 21. Can I write 21 here? No. So I will write 1 here and 2 above the tens as we learned. 7 multiply 4 equals 28. 28 plus 2 equals 30. So I will write 30 here. This is the first step. The second step, I have to take the tens number 5 and multiply it with 43. Before that, I have to put 0 in the ones digit as we learned, and then start my multiplication. 5 multiply 3 equals 12. So I have here, okay, just 1 minute. Okay, 5 plus multiply 3 equals 15. So I will write 5 here and 1 above the tens. I will regroup 15. Write 5 here and 1 above the tens. 5 multiply 4 equals 20. 20 plus 1 equals 21. So there is no number after the hundred or after the tens. So I will write 21. Now I will add the numbers to find the final answer. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 3 plus 1 equals 4. There is no thousand, so it will be 2,451, the same number. Now, girls, if you have a question, type it in the chat. We finished today our session. We will continue tomorrow. There is no homework today. Tomorrow we will continue the exercises. Regrouping, I will repeat regrouping. I have to multiply 7 with 43. First thing, 7 multiply 3 equals 21. So I will put 1 here and 2 above the tens. 7 multiply 4 equals 28 plus 2 equals 30. So I will write 30 because there is no digit after the tens. So I have to put 0 here before we multiply the tens number. So 5 multiply 3 equals 15. So I will write 5 here and 1 above the tens as we learned in regrouping. 5 multiply 4 equals 20 plus 1 equals 21. So there is no digit after the thousand. So I will write it here. After that we have to add the numbers. Okay, so this is our lesson today. Thank you so much, girls, for attending. Okay, I think why Bisan, what's your question? What's your question?
Teacher, can I send the project anytime?
No, you have only for tomorrow to send your project. Okay, you have your time until tomorrow. Okay, so thank you so much, girls, for attending.